The bugles of MPS blow heralding the latest news. Watch Muthamilians equip and empower themselves with the 21st century skills.
We believe in secularism and all the students of MPS are treated as equal without any bias. The bucket celebration at Muthamil is an expression of unity in diversity. The festivity reached its heights with the arrival of parents and display of stalls.
The synthetic high-tech tennis court was inaugurated on the same day by the chief guest Dr. Syed Nawaz, the district president of Tennis Association.
MPS is highly delighted to share the good news that 4 students, namely Karthikaja of grade 12, Aditya of grade 9, Edwin Joshua of grade 7 and Stains Regan of grade 8 were selected for cricket under 14 and under 19 categories in district level. We wish all the players many more laurels in the years to come.
Labour Welfare and Skill Development Department of Tamil Nadu and District Science Centre, Tirunelveli jointly organised Child Labour Eradication Awareness Program for the students of grade 6 to 12. Nadira of grade 9 and Shivani of grade 11 won laurels by clinching 3rd and 2nd place respectively.
Chairman of Muthamil Public School, Mr. Amarel Babu, known for his philanthropic activities, has lent over 300 books to the government school situated in Munirpalam. Our beloved principal ma'am carried out this noble venture under the guidance of our beloved correspondent ma'am and distributed the books to the students in person.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to the doctors in and around Tirunelveli by offering floral tributes and to have one-to-one interaction and to know more about their unwavering commitments and their passion. It was rather a big salute to the saviors of the mankind.
The blooming buds of MPS prepared a beautiful cards to wish their fathers on the lovely occasion. Father's Day, it was a delight to watch our little friends singing rhymes and sharing their thoughts on how their fathers help them every day.
Another gem in our diadem are students, the Idanshos of MPS, namely Janani of grade 10, Guru Vinosh, Saraswati, Danishka of grade 8 had successfully performed 15 katas and achieved black belt.
Artificial intelligence is the most talked about topic. The pace of progress in artificial intelligence is very fast. To ensure our students are well equipped with latest skills, a workshop was conducted for senior students of grade 9 to 12 in MPS. We had 2 eminent resource persons to enrich our students with knowledge. We had Mrs. Kalaichel, the HOD and AIADS of Ishwari Engineering College, and Mr. M.K. Kumaresan, the Cloud Integration Architect of Google India in Bangalore as our guest speakers.
To underscore the importance of opting for paper bags over alternative plastic bags, students from grade 6 to 8 were trained to make paper bags to replace the plastic bags.
To being committed to vote when 18, to political knowledge and to engage in forms of peaceful activism, voting in our school was introduced. It was a replica of formal election with candidates' nomination for various posts. Canvassing highlights and literal conduction of digital voting was done. Results were announced on the same days and the winner thanked their fellow friends for choosing them.
That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.